Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Georgie Kennedy, and in today's video I will be showing you how I've achieved this makeup look. If you want to see how I did that, please keep watching. So let's get started. Now I've already cleansed and moisturized my face, so I'll just tie my hair back so it's out of my way. And now I've got my moisturizer on, so I'm going to start with my primer. At the moment I've been loving the Becca Backlighting Primer. It's very glowy and I don't like when my skin looks matte, hence why I've been using this one. It smells a little funny though. It smells like weird sunscreen. So I just put that all over my face, ready for when I put my foundation on. For foundation, I've been using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm in the shade NW13, pretty fair. I just put that on the back of my hand and then dip my damn beauty blender in and blend it all out. If I'm looking down at all, it's just because I've got a mirror down here. I like to dab it all over my face so I see how much I've got in each area, and then I blend it all in. With this one as well, it is quite a glowy finish. It's not matte, so nice for my skin. Alright, next I will be going in with my concealer. At the moment I'm loving the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm in the shade Snow. I used to use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I just find this one is a lot more hydrating for my skin than what the Shape Tape is. Both very thick and nice and creamy and will cover whatever you need them to. So I'll just put this in all the areas I want to highlight. My chin, down the bridge of my nose. Yeah, after using this one, I don't know if I could go back to the Shape Tape. It's just real nice. So just blend that in. Then when I've done that, I like to dab just a small amount on my eyelids, because in my everyday routine I don't put eyeshadow on, so I don't need too much on there. I don't feel like it's looking all blended. Then I will set my powder. I've been using the Rimmel London Match Perfection loose powder. It's in translucent, which I find, because I do have lighter skin, especially in the winter months, this one just melts into my skin, doesn't have a colour to it, which I really like, so I don't have to worry about my under eyes or anywhere on my skin being darker than my neck or my face or anything like that. Under my eyes does crease very quickly, so I do like to get a lot and on my beauty blender and just dab it under there. I find for me it does stop my eyes from creasing like they usually would. So now I'll just get that loose powder and just dab it all over my face to set. This brush I'm using is just a Nude by Nature one. It is 05 finishing brush. And then with that same brush, I'll just, with my Beauty Blender, I'll just make sure there's no creases on my eyelids, because they do crease straight away. And then I'll just set that with the same big fluffy brush. I move on to brows, so I'm just going to brush them out with my little spoolie. I see a lot of people who do their eyebrows before their base. I don't know how you manage it. I always have to do them after. No idea why. Just could not do them before. And for my brows, I'm just using the Brow Artist Expert by L'Oreal Paris in the shade Cool Brunette. Make sure they're twins, not sisters. Alright, they're all done. Now I'll move on to my blush. At the moment I've been using the L'Oreal Life's Peach blush. It is in 01 Peach Addict, the colour. I've only just recently started using peach blushes. I usually only just use like a pink blush. But then I thought I'd try this one, and I think for me it suits my skin tone a lot more than what the pink one does, just because I am fairer. So I just dip my angled Nude by Nature brush again. The brush is called an angled blush brush. So just tap the excess off. Just putting that on my cheeks. After I do this, it is very pigmented, and after I usually put it on, I usually just get back that big fluffy brush we used for our powder, for our base, and I do just like to brush a little bit off just to soften it down. Looks good. And highlighter. So Ultimate Highlighter, Becca, the Becca Cosmetica highlighter in the shade Moonstone. Love this one. It is this gorgeous goldy champagne sort of colour there. I think it looks really nice. I rather ones that have a gold base underneath than a pink base, just because my skin is naturally a little bit pink. So I'll just put that on the areas the sun would naturally hit. Keep it firm. any excess I like to just rub here over my brows. Then we move on to mascara. So with mascara, at the moment I am using the Colossal Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline New York. This is what it looks like. I mainly like it for the wand. It's a big puffy wand like this. You can see. I find it just gets, I'm able to get into the inner corners and outer corners of my eye without much hassle, without touching the top or the bottom of my skin while doing so. So I'll just pop that on. That's one done. My left eye is always so much harder to get the exact same as my right eye. It drives me crazy. Alright, so my eyes are all done. On a daily basis, I wouldn't put false lashes or eyeliner or eyeshadow on. I do put on lip liner. I do like this when I'm putting my foundation on. I feel like my lips disappear a little bit. So I've got the Revlon Cover Stay Lip Liner Crayon. It's natural. Colour is natural, so I'll just line my lips with this one. And then on top of that, I just put my L'Oreal lipstick. It is a matte one, and the colour is Blush in a Rush. This is it here. It is really nice, just sort of subtle one, but still puts the colour back into my lips. So I just... Get that one on. Then after that, I do like to put a little bit of my Pawpaw on top, just because I don't like it to be super matte. I like my lips to feel soft and not sort of dry. It doesn't make them feel dry, but when I put this on, it makes it feel a lot nicer. For my last step, I have my MAC Fix Plus. This one is the gold one with the gold flecks in it. It's so fresh as well. Makes you feel so good. Alright, so that's my finished look. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos in the future. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below. I would love to hear what you think.